Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how the cut and paste works on a cell that other cells reference. So in the last tutorial I showed you how to use the AND function, and it references this one, and we can see here that it's anchored to the cell I1. So it's anchored to this cell up here. Now I want to build on these formulas, and so I want to put a finished good here so it lists out all the child item numbers and the quantity it takes to make one 25-pound box of true cod fillets. So since these all reference I1, I can just cut I1 and paste it over here. And the anchor that was on I1 now changes to M3 over here. And that is true for all of them. You can see that they all change to M3. So that's how the cut and paste match follows, how formulas follow the cut and paste function in Excel. Thank you for watching.